Baby, the whole time your mama was in the hospital, no shade. Baby, you was seeing at Airbnbs with us. You went on a whole reality show with me. You didn't give a fuck. You didn't care, baby. When it was time for your mama's funeral, you was at an Airbnb with me. And I have the video to show it. You didn't even make it to your mama's funeral, baby. You treated your mama like shit. And it's sad. I'm gonna show you this video. He said he cared about his mama. He said he cared about his mama. Hold on. I want y'all to hear I want y'all to hear him how he talked to his mama. Hold on.
I ain't having no fucking weed, Johnny. Come out there to take your wig off. I ain't having no fucking weed, Johnny. 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 I ain't having no fucking weed, Johnny.
Hold on, go back to it.
Come out there to take your wig off. I ain't having no fucking weed, Johnny.
My mom passed when I was 7. People don't know what's good until it's gone. That was his mama, baby. That was his mama. That was his mama. I know how Shamar mama talked, baby. I'm sorry. That wasn't AJ. People don't know what's good until it's gone. And it's sad that people have mamas, and I lost mine when I was 7. It hurt my feelings for him to sit up here and keeping up mess when he got a lot of fish to fry. Honestly, it hurt my heart that people got to go look up stuff and send it to me and make, and I got to look at this shit. I don't know what would I do if my dad leave me right now. People don't know what's good until it's gone. This man got time to beef with me. This man got time to start up drama with me. But your family don't even fucks with you. You cannot call none of your family members right now. And it's sad and it hurt my feelings because it's like, this shit is pitiful. You got time to sit up here and worry about a nigga. You got time to worry about me. You got time to argue with me, but you really don't have no family out here. I wouldn't know how to feel not to have no family. It ain't like you can make it right with them. You have disrespected them to the maximum. That your own family don't even want to deal with you. And it hurt my heart. Cause it's like, Tommy, you gotta stop being friends with him. So moving along from today, I would not be talking about Shamar no more. He gotta get himself together. And it's a sad case. I'm tired. I mean, I can't keep doing this. All just aside, while everybody be trying to make him be a victim, y'all need to pray for him. Y'all need to let him know. Because ain't nothing going to go good with that boy. Every show that he supposed to been on, he done told it, so he wasn't cast. When he went to Zodiac House, they gave him an opportunity to be on a free show to get his name out there even more. He went and docked the CEO out. It's like, when it's going to be okay for y'all to tell him, you're wrong. He's angry. He's not done healing. I want to get in contact with his sister and try to get his sister back involved. If I could do it, if I can't, I might, I don't know. But I want to get his sister back involved because I believe in God. And God told me to let him go. But he got to get, it's something that he want me to do. And I feel like I got to get in contact with his sister just to get his sister back involved in his life. Because he need help. Shamar be coughing, choking, and all type of shit. Something is going on. I don't know if his scoliosis got bad, but it's too much. Every time he talk, he choking. He breathing louder than a motherfucking horse. See, I'm a big girl, so I breathe loud. But for him to be that skinny and he breathing like that, let's keep it a buck. Something is going on. Something is going the fuck on. Something is going. Should nobody be coughing like that and you skinny? Should nobody be breathing like that and you skinny? His condition is getting worse and worse every fucking day, y'all. And it's nothing to laugh about, and it's nothing to be funny. This is some real shit that is need to be taken care of. His scoliosis is getting bad. This man is a walking pneumonia. The people at the hospital told Shamar he have pneumonia. He didn't even get his medicine. He needs something. And it's sad. It's sad that that this shit ended like this, but I never said he had any HIV. I never said he had AIDS, but he have said I had it. I never said he had it. I don't care if he do have it or not. I don't fuck him. I don't suck on him. I don't lick on him. So I don't care if he have it or not. But I just know he coughing like the way he coughing. That's not no regular cough. He's a walk. I do know he got pneumonia. That's what I do know. Because he told me on the phone when he was in Houston. And they told him to get some medicine. He had a prescription. Do y'all know he didn't even go get he didn't even go get a prescription. He didn't even go to CVS to go get pills. Or whatever they gave him. Pills, liquid, or whatever. And then he gotta learn. Then he's smoking weed. Baby, if y'all love him like y'all claim y'all love him, give him some help. He's bipolar. He's schizophrenic. Please, if y'all say y'all love him, y'all support him, go get him the help he need. Cause Tommy and Ty can't do it no more. I feel like y'all could be able to do it because y'all get him money. So I feel like y'all could be able to do it. He got pneumonia. He got walking pneumonia. If y'all love him the way y'all love him, like y'all defend him all the time, go get him the proper help he need. Or Shamar not gonna be no longer with us. Maybe I should get a nigga to call him and hit him up and act like they want to be with him and go get him the proper help, because that's the only thing that I can work. If it's a nigga can make him do it. But if it's me, he ain't gonna do it. Or if it's Ty, he ain't gonna do it. But if a nigga's asking to do it, he'll do it. Maybe I need to call a nigga up. That's what I might need to do. I might need to call a nigga up and tell a nigga to go just wait one day, just wake up with him and go to the hospital. Cause this is it's not funny. It's not. And my mom passed from pneumonia. So I don't even play with the pneumonia games. And I've been telling Shamar to go to the doctor and go get his medicine. He don't listen to me. He don't listen to Ty. So guess what? I say fuck it. But he's a walking pneumonia. And if you know what's right, go get him some help. So all y'all out here who say y'all defending Shamar, y'all love Shamar, y'all his fans, y'all his celebrity friends, all these celebrities who he called friends, all these friends he got out here, go get him some help. He need it. And I'm done talking about it. I love y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm finna go eat. I'm gonna take a picture of my video. I'm gonna take a video of my food, and then I'm gonna go watch TV and I'm gonna go to sleep. I love y'all.